Why is learning and mastering English so important? In this video, I am going to give the answer to this question. Hello everyone, I am Haseen and welcome to English with Haseen. It's a YouTube channel. In this channel, I upload videos on the aspects you are going to need to improve your English skills quickly. I will try my best to make my videos super easy for you guys, and I will also provide some exercises which will help you to test yourself at the end of each videos. And if you are new here, please consider subscribing this channel and turn on the notification bell to get my other videos as fast as possible. Now, another thing which is, please don't skip this video, because if you skip this video, you won't get anything what I'm saying and you will mess things up. Now, the epic question. Why do people need to have a good control over English? The answer is, English is such a language which is used in almost all countries in the globe. Moreover, in a job or institutional selection test, if you have good English skills, then you will have a 40% chance that you will get that job, because every institution or company searches for an employee who is a master in one particular subject. And in this case, you can make English that subject, because this channel is all about English. So, what's the first thing of learning English? The first thing to learn English is your mindset. Now, if you feel shy to use English in front of others, then listen to me. English is nothing which can harm you in any way. English cannot harm you in any way. And secondly, whenever you do a thing or learn a thing, you will do mistakes. It's natural. But if you quit for this reason, if you quit for this ordinary reasons, then you can never learn anything. And the main way, the fastest, quickest, and the most efficient way of learning English is to talk with others. What I mean is, you need to talk with others or have conversations with others in English to master English. Now, here's a quick tip which I'm going to give you, which is talk with random people. In the street, in your house, or wherever you want, talk with random people whom you don't know, and obviously in English. Because even if you do a mistake, you probably won't meet with that person ever again. And if you even meet that person, I'm sure he will forget you. And another thing is, if you want a language partner, then join up my Facebook group, which is English Community of Haseen, which is linked down in the description down below. Go and check it out, and you will easily find a language partner there. Now, if you don't want to talk with anyone in the street, if you don't want to talk with anyone in your house, if you don't want to talk with your language partner, then here's another easy solution, which is talk with yourself in front of the mirror. Now, this might seem a little bit ridiculous of me saying this, but it will decrease, even it will perish your shyness. Now, a question. Why should you take conversations in English with anyone? I mean, the results. Now, the answer is, first benefit, you will overcome your shyness. The second benefit, you can understand the places where you're lagging, the places of your mistakes easily, better than before. And third is, you can even have a chance to meet with someone and talk with someone which is very prominent, and you may get your life settled. Now, it's your luck, it's not on me, but this might happen. Now, the result, or the ultimate result which you are going to get by having a good control over English, the most awesome result is you will become a killer in any type of show, in any type of entertainment show, or any type of stage program where a lot of people will come. Now, why will this happen? Because English will give you another level of strength, another level of confidence. And if you have good English, then obviously you won't run into any danger, and you will have the confidence, you will have the mindset that you are not going to get into any danger. Now, who doesn't like a show killer, right? And the next thing I'm going to cover in this video is more likely a personal thing, which is you decide your own future. What I mean is, what you want to be is figured out by yourself. What I mean is, if you want to be a winner, then you will have to work hard. And it's on you that what type of person do you want? What do you want to be? Do you want to be a winner or a loser? Do you want to be a headline of a newspaper, or do you want to be a rumor in people's mind? What do you want to be? What type of personality do you want? Do you want a superstar personality, or do you want a recruiter personality? Now, we all know that superstars have another type of personality which is not expected from a normal person, because he doesn't always, obviously he doesn't have that star power. Then, if I say that I can't help you in this place, then it is true. But I can help you, and it's true that I can help you to make your English better, by which you will make things easier. What I mean is, stay with my channel, watch my videos regularly, and eventually, one day, you will become an ace. You'll become an ace in English one day, and I will also become a little bit famous than what I am right now. If you stay with me, and we can grow together, and who doesn't want to grow together? And obviously, I don't want to stay static. I want to optimize people with me. Now, as I said before, I will give some exercises in each of my video, and here's your exercise. State your introduction in the comment section down below. Give it right now, because you will improve here. And if you want a separate video on this, then please comment down below that you want a separate video on it. If I see good response, then I will make a video. So it's the end of my video. If this video helped you in any possible way, then please like this video and share it with your friends so that they can be benefited. So thanks for watching. Bye.